Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to start a series of logical reasoning classes. This will help you everywhere, whether you are preparing for any government exam such as like SSC or CSAT for UPSC or any banking exams or NTPC, or if you are preparing for your college campus placement as well. There also you get the aptitude round or technical round where you are asked for questions based on logical reasoning and aptitudes like quantitative aptitudes. In such places also you will be required to answer some questions which are based on reasoning. So this is the first class, introduction class, where I'm going to give you a brief introduction about what is logical reasoning and all. So there's a question why we call it a logical reasoning. It can be, it is not said as reasoning or it is not said as anything else, but it is always called as logical reasoning. Why? For anything, whatever is happening, there are something reasons. Understand? Like whatever in your environment, whatever is happening, that is happening for reason. If you are playing, there is a reason you are playing. If a 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, there is a reason for why it is 4. So we for any question in logical reasoning, if there is any question in logical reasoning, we have to give a reason why we have to give a reason, and that reason should be logical. Like it is logical. We cannot give any vague reason. Like any vague reason we cannot give. So for every question we have to give a reason, and that reason should be something logical. So we have to think logically. That is why it is called logical. So without much delay, we should proceed to our first class of logical reasoning. Okay. So in logical reasoning, at first we will start with chapter 1, that is alphabet and series. In alphabet and series, we will start with alphabets first. Okay. So in alphabets, we have to study it. Two things we have to study here. Okay. Here we are in alphabet. First, we have to study what is the place value of any alphabet. Okay. First, we have to study the place value, and second, we have to study the opposite of letters. For any alphabet, what is its opposite alphabet? Okay. So in place value, what we have to study in place value, we have to study it in two ways. First, we have to study it from left side, and second, we have to study it from right side. Like there are 26 alphabets. So what we can study from A, B, C, D to till Z, or we have to study from right ends, that is Z, Y, X, like this way. Okay. So what this left end, suppose this in this series you have written some alphabets. Okay. So this will be the left end, and this will be the right end. Left end is also called, we can also see in some question it can be given top or above, starting point, or initial point. And on the right hand side, it is right end is all this. Here it is called top, so it will be called as bottom. This is called left is called above, so it will be below. It is called starting point, so it will be the ending point. And it is called left is called initial point, so right end will be called as what? Final. I hope till here it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. After place value, we will see what? We will see the alphabets, how the alphabets are arranged. So there are 26 alphabets, okay? 1 to 26. So we will divide the whole 26 alphabets in two parts, first half and second half. First half will be, so what is the half of 26? It is 13. So in the first half, 13 alphabets will be here, and in the second half, 13 alphabets will be here. So we will arrange the alphabets in such a order, like first is A, second is B, third is C, fourth is D, fifth is E, sixth is F, seven is G, eight is H, nine I, 10 J, 11 is K, 12 is L, and 13 is M. And for the second half, we don't have to write from here 14. We will start from the bottom, because right hand is always known as bottom. So we will start from 13 here. 14. 14 will be N. Then 15, it will be O. 16 will be P. 17 Q. 18 R. 19 S. 20 T. 21 U. 22 V. 23 W. 24 X. 25 Y, and 26 is Z. Okay. So how we have arranged from 1 to 30, and then from down 14 to 26 till 26. So what we have to study? We said that we will be studying the alphabets, we'll be studying the place value and opposite of letters. Okay. But we have to study place value and opposite of letters. So here, so we have arranged the letters in two halves, first half and second half. So what is the place value of A? If anyone will ask, what is the place value of A? If anyone will ask, what is the place value of A? So its place value is 1. For B, it is 2. C, it is 3. D, it is 4. E, it is 5. F, 6. G, 7. H, 8. I, 9. In this way, we have arranged all the letters till Z. So we have to remember the place value. What we have to do first, we have to learn it. Understand? We in every exam, like in every question of alphabetical series, we will be required to remember the alphabet's place value and its opposite of it. So the opposite place value is clear. Now the opposite of letter. What is the opposite of A? Opposite of A is Z. This one. This one is its opposite. For B, it is Y. C, for B, it is Y. C, X. T, W. E, V. F, U. G, T. H, S. I, R. J, Q. K, P. L, O. M, N. So we have to remember the place value. Randomly, if anyone will ask, what is the place value of F? So you don't need to count it on your finger. We have to remember, okay, F, it is 6. So we have to learn it. We don't have that much time to count it. Okay, in exam, we hardly get 60 minutes for 60 questions, like 100 questions are there. Like, so we don't have that much time to count. We can count if you have times, we can count, but it will be very beneficial if you will remember all the placement and opposites of letter. So for remembering this, you can make some tricks to remember this. Suppose H, what is its opposite? S. So you can remember it like this: high. H opposite is S. Okay. So for others, you can make your own. If you will make it by your own self, you will be remember that. So for example, K is opposite is P. That is KP Thakur. You can remember like this, KP Thakur. MN is simple. You can remember it like this also. For IR, you can remember it like in Indian Railway. So make your own tricks to remember it. Your task will be to remember the place value and to remember its opposite. Okay. Do mention your comment trick also in the comment section. Okay, and let me know if you have any doubt. You can ask me in the comment section. Okay, and if you like this video, you can just like it. Put a like on this. Okay, so I'm ending this video till here only, and in the next class we will learn some more thing. In the next class we will start with properties of alphabetical series. Okay, so do remember all the place value and all the opposite of letters. Okay, thank you.